When you have defined the routes and they are selected, obviously it will display the related component or page. But assume that there is a route which does not exist and it is being referred. For example, let's say here I type /test, which is not there. This route we have not defined anywhere in our application, and you can see that there is no output for the same because there is no such route existing. So in this case, I have entered an invalid route and it's not working. Generally, when a route is not existing, we see a no match, that is 404 kind of error. So to handle this, you can define a route which executes when no other routes match. You can use wildcard character asterisk, that is a star, to execute a kind of match all or catch all route. You can use this when you want to handle 404 kind of situation. So let's practically see the same. I will add a no match component first. I'll go to the components folder. I'll right click and I'm going to add nomatch.js file. Now let me just say const nomatch, and I'm going to return the JSX, that is a division. I put an H3 and I say no match. Of course, you can design a better component, but we will live with this at the moment. Now I'll go to app.js and let's also import the NoMatch component. And let me also define the route. Now what I'll do is I'm going to put this route at the end because it's a match all or catch all kind of route. That means when no other route is existing, this route will execute. So I'll say route path is equal to asterisk. And here I want to show the no match component and I'm going to end the route. Now let me just save this and let's check the output. I'm going to say here localhost 3000/test and enter. Now you see that it says no match. Now instead of test, even if I say, let's say not, and press enter, again you see the same value. In short, other than home, about and tutorials, anything you try to enter, it's going to show the no match message. At the moment it is displaying no match. Let's say we want to show the current path, that is the location which was not found. In that case, you can use the use location hook, which can be used to get the current location URL. So let's implement that as well. I'll go to the no match component. I'm going to import the use location from React Router DOM. Now let me just put const location is equal to use location, and at the moment we'll just try to display the value of location. Let's save this and see what is the output. You see in the console that it displays the location object value which has path name. Now this path name is the current URL which we get. What we can do, we can show this path name. So let's do that. We'll display the path name by putting it inside the JSX. So I'll say curly brackets location dot path name, and let's save this and check the output. So now you see that it displays /test. Let me also say /test/45 or anything. Then it displays no match, the value that is test45. So this location object contains the current URL, and this is useful in many cases like the one which we have seen practically in this example. Now let's talk about few relative questions to this topic. The first question is, how will you configure the match all, catch all or 404 not found kind of route? So as we have seen, you just have to use the asterisk with a route like this. So for everything else, this route will execute. Also, you do make sure to put this route at the end of all the routes configured. The next question is, explain the use of the use location hook. Well, this hook returns the location object which has the value of the active URL. In a way, it's like your window.location of JavaScript. This hook is really useful when you have to trigger an event on every URL change. And this is the practical use we have done here with the use location.